Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Still Stern Digital Oven. Oh, touchscreen glass content. Wow, this looks tiny because it's a small, full equipped oven with the tray candle tips. Then you have rotate-able parts. You have a wire rack. You have a baking tray, a crumb tray. You have a large LED display, a multifunction design, and it is all digital. Oh, the model is MB45 minus LED 2G. And it is a digital mini oven with convenient 45 liters. It has an oven glows, recipe book, double glass door, 2000 watt power, LED display, 13 programs, a rotary spit, a Crumb plate, a timer, and an interior lighting system. So, if you do not have so much space in your kitchen, or you do not have enough money in your pocket, that maybe is a fame like this, you can buy such a tiny oven, a micro oven. Not a microwave oven, it is a mini oven, a digital oven in a small shape. Because this thing is only approximately 55.9 centimeters wide, to 40.8 centimeters to 36.2 centimeters. This is not so large than a standard model. And it will bring you nearly all functions like a standard oven. The model name is MB45 LED 2G, 2000 watt digital mini oven with 45 liters. You have an LCD display with wide backlight technology. The oven operated with touchscreen buttons. You have different setups: top heat, lower heat, top and bottom heat. Top heat with circulating air. Lower heat with circulating air, and top and bottom heat with circulating air, and top heat with circulating air and rotating spike. That means you can add here a chicken, a full chicken. Stick it on the spike and let it rotate inside. Easy, really easy, and it looks beautiful. The temperature settings goes from 40 to 230 degrees. No, that's Celsius. The timer setting comes from 1 to up to 8 hours. That means you can program your bakery time. You have a removable crumb tray and a crumb tray, additional crumb tray, a baking tray, and a grate. Heat-insulated double glazed door, so you can not harm yourself. Okay, if you're sitting on it, maybe, okay, but it is really hard to get a problem with this, because it has a double isolated glazed door, like a big oven too. You have an insulated door handle here. You have a split with 2 brackets. The remaining times is displayed on the display. The temperature settings are displayed on the display too. The heating elements are 4 rack-mounted heights. And it is easy to use, really easy. The tensions in the built-in sheet metal can cause cranking noise when it's heated, of course. You have 13 automatic programs, so you can choose in each program. You can choose by pushing the program buttons plus 1 individual program. Then you can program the temperature and what's going on. with light, without light, with van, without van, upper heat, down heat, medium heat, as you like. You have automatic programs for toast, baking, stewing, grilling, bread, pizza, biscuits, roast chicken with a spit skewer, potatoes, chips, corn, warm, defrosting, and cooking itself. Yeah, when using the buttons, the beep is heard. That means you will get a feedback from the machine itself. The LED operating indicator light start and stop button. There you can choose start and stop, of course. All accessories are dishwasher safe. You have rubber feet for stability and the LED display with lightning. The dimensions are around about 55 centimeters to 41 centimeters to 36 centimeters. The cable length is approximately 1 meter. The weight is only approximately 11 kilograms. This is not so heavy. And you will get a digital LED mini oven, an oven gloves pair, recipe books with great recipe ideas, a spit with gripper, a grate with handle, a baking tray, and a crumb tray. Yeah, and this is all what you need to have a awesome and easy to use oven. And it is a tiny oven. He's really small and he looks good. So let's have fun with this oven in the future. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.